Get ready for a mind-blowing revelation, my friends. Introducing Ebook Genie, the revolutionary AI-powered software that will completely transform your online business in a mere 60 seconds. Brace yourselves, because this game-changer creates highly profitable ebooks, info products, and stunning ebook covers with lead magnets faster than you can even blink. But wait, it gets even better. When you purchase this incredible product through the link in the description, prepare to be blown away by the bonuses I'll be personally gifting you. Don't waste another second, my fellow entrepreneurs. Click that link and let Ebook Genie grant all your wishes. Now, let's dive right into this jaw-dropping review video. Prepare to unleash the power of Ebook Genie, the ultimate game-changer in ebook creation. Gone are the days of toiling over writing and design. This cutting-edge tool is here to grant your wishes with its AI-powered prowess. Within a mere 60 seconds, Ebook Genie crafts highly profitable ebooks, info products, and captivating ebook covers, complete with lead magnets to attract and engage your audience. And the best part? You keep every cent of the profits. No more sharing your hard-earned earnings. With a colossal library of over 1 million ready-to-sell ebooks and articles at your disposal, Ebook Genie ensures you hit the ground running. Choose from this treasure trove of knowledge or let your imagination soar and create your masterpiece from scratch. But wait, there's more. Ebook Genie's AI-powered content and graphic generator will blow your mind. Say goodbye to content creation woes and design headaches. This ingenious tool does it all for you, leaving you with more time to focus on what truly matters. User-friendliness is at the core of Ebook Genie's design. Its easy drag-and-drop interface and fully customizable templates guarantee a seamless and lightning-fast ebook creation process. No tech skills required. You'll be amazed at how effortless it is to manifest stunning ebooks in record time. And the convenience doesn't stop there. Ebook Genie is a cloud-based tool, meaning you can access it from any device, anytime, anywhere. No more being tied down to a single workstation. Embrace the freedom to create wherever inspiration strikes. Now, let's unveil the enchanting 3-step process. Step 1. Take advantage of the vast collection of DIY ebooks and articles or channel your creativity to forge a unique masterpiece. The choice is yours, and Ebook Genie empowers you to make it. Step 2. Let your imagination run wild as you customize your ebook to perfection. With the drag-and-drop editor, you'll effortlessly design an enticing ebook cover that demands attention. It's never been easier to create a visually striking product. Finally, Step 3. With a click of a button, your stunning ebook is ready for the world. Download it, wield it for your own purposes, or set it forth on a journey to captivate readers and generate income. Ebook Genie is here to make your dreams come true. Are you ready to harness its magic and embark on a profitable ebook adventure?